This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I'm pretty stoked on this. And yeah. So, I rarely am lucky enough to have a variety from the Philippines these days. And unfortunately today I still don't. But this is a variety of the Philippines. This is Pamana Paz Batchoy, and this is actually made in the US. This company's been around in the States for a long time, but it's definitely a Filipino variety. So I was like, I wish it was kind of exotic from the Philippines, but hey, it's from here. That's okay. That's cool. Interesting noodle block. And then we've got this little sachet we drop in. Not sure exactly what these are. They're little solid bits. We'll drop them in all the same. And then we've got feels like powder and maybe some other stuff going on here. Smells very beefy. They like bone marrow over there a lot. They also like offal. O-F-F-A-L. And that's like organ meat, like kidneys, heart, intestine, stuff like that. And before you put your nose up at it and go, whoa! Yeah, and it is. I mean, the first time I had stuff that had offal in it, I was just like, no way. But actually, most people don't want to eat food that tastes gross or is gross. So, I was very, very happily surprised with how wonderful it was. And now, I'm a big fan of a lot of dishes that have organ meat, or ones that are just mainly organ meat. I really, really like, what do you call it? Braised pork intestine. I had that in, what do you call it? Southern Taiwan. I had that in Tainan. And oh my God, was that good. Oh, I would eat a whole plate of that stuff right now. And yeah, I know what intestines are, but God, tell you what, that is good eating, my friends. Yeah. Anyways, let's get on with the big show. We're gonna do our quick ditty with Momo Fuguendo Speaks. This is a list of quotations from the late great inventor of instant noodles. Number 37, quote number 37. There is no mandatory retirement age for the founder of a business. There we are. So, I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty cloudy and mucky muck out there. It doesn't look too nice. But I mean, that's how it works. Right there, there's a box with a bunch of African violets on it. They like sun, and there's really no sun today. It's gone. But what can you do? But today, it's not even noon. It's 5 to noon. I'm stoked because this is the day that Mimi gets to meet her teacher on a Zoom meeting. So it'll be good. It'll be good. 3 reviews yesterday. We're going on doing 3 reviews today. Not a lot of walking this morning. She's been going to work early. This is Tuesday, but tomorrow is going to be her Friday. She took Thursday and Friday off. Thursday, we are going to go up to Mount Rainier. We've got a permit. We got all our ducks in a row. We got a place to do it, recommended by the Park Service. And my sister's going to come down. She's going to hop in our car, and we're going to go up there and scatter my mom's ashes. That should be interesting. I still got to look up and see if there's like recommendations on how to do it. You know, obviously from The Big Lebowski, don't do it directly into the wind on a cliff by the water. But yeah, there's a lot of talk of like, well, maybe we should like wait until the COVID's over. It's like, dude, I think you got to, if you postpone life's plans until COVID's over, that's going to be a bummer, because you're going to postpone them for a long, long time. Mark my words. Vaccine is not going to be an immediate, unrequited love fest where we can go out and like everybody can like form pyramids and stuff. No, sir. But yeah, I was looking at the air quality thing too, and the air quality on Mount Rainier is very nice. So that'll be a nice change. It's like all like very light yellow and a lot of like light green color. Our map, it's like dark purple to brown everywhere around here, which means don't go outside and don't open your windows. Stay away from the air. Yeah. So one thing that people do with the Paz Batchoy is they'll sprinkle some pork rinds on top of it, chicharron, but we don't have any of that. I've got Flamin' Hot Cheetos is the closest thing I got, and I just don't know. Yeah, so let's give this a try. Here's how it looks. Not really a lot to see. I mean, it just looks like a beef soup, but there's beef, pork, shrimp, and fish, and maybe chicken too. I don't remember. There's a lot of meats that go into these things. Filipino food is very different and very good. Noodle's a little different. Broth. Really has a beefy, meaty kind of thing going on. It's good. Oh yeah, so since I don't have a lot of real stuff that I can think of that on hand that I really could add to this to, you know, do it up right, I'm gonna add in got some of this lunch meat. I'll put some of this in there. So this is again that London broil stuff. It's good. It's be kind of like hot pot, I guess. There you go. And some spring onion. You know what I really want to try? want to go to the Philippines, and I want to have. I can't believe I can't think of the name. It's where they take a lechon, where you take a whole pig, and you gut it, and you add in all this different stuff, including like chickens and stalks of green onion, all sorts of goodness, and then they like roast it over a spit, and they slow rotate it for hours, and putting like, I think they put like sweet soy sauce on it. Oh God. There was this show, it was like, it wasn't 90 Day Fiance, it was like where they go and they meet these women that they talk to online, and he got like a, you know, like mail order brides or something. Anyway, met this nice Filipino girl, and goes to meet her, and her whole family make like this huge spread of food. It's just amazing. There's like lechon, there's like all these different things. It's like big. What does the guy do? He turns his nose up at all of it. He's like, oh, I don't know. He's like, he liked her. He thought he was really cute, or she was really cute, and wanted to bring her back, but didn't really want any of her culture to come back with her. And it's just like, what a fool. God. Is that all you want? Is that all that's gonna make you happy? You're not interested in, learning about the person you're planning on trying to like uproot and spend the rest of your life with? Jeez. It's like, I like you, I just don't like what you're about, okay? What a douchebag, jeez. Is it safe to eat? That was just like, he kept asking, is this really safe? Is it sanitary? It's like, what a insult. No, look, as you can see, we're all dead. Then, I mean, there's only one thing that can kind of excuse it a little bit. A lot of places, like when you go get your shots and this and that to go travel abroad, they will try to put the fear of God into you not to eat anything that isn't out of a can. When I went to Malaysia, I got my shots and this and that. They're like, don't eat this, don't eat that. You can get this kind of sick, that kind of sick. Well, my sister went and got it for going to Thailand. They were like, oh, they said you're not supposed to eat this. Is it safe to eat this? Do people get sick from this? It's like, no. You know how you get sick if you eat in a foreign country? Don't drink the water. You know why? They don't either. If you go to South Korea, everybody drinks bottled water. Same as Thailand, same as Taiwan. Why? Because nobody wants to get sick. Shower in it, sure. But, health authority here doesn't know about that. They just say, they figure everybody's stupid, so just don't do anything. Don't do anything. If you're going to eat something, eat out of a can. Alright, Rotato, do it up. I know. I've had quite a few instant noodles from Taiwan that come with saltine crackers. Saltine crackers are really popular in the Philippines, like Sky Flakes, and there's these sunflower ones that are really good. There's some garlic ones that are really good too. They're just like saltine crackers, but they come with instant noodles. And so I thought maybe that would be a reasonable topping. Let me know in the comments below if this is like okay to do. Is this something you would do if you're from the Philippines? Or from the US and of Filipino descent. Anyway, right on. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.